Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best options for fall planting in 2022. The Sereniseed certified organic leafy greens lettuce seeds collection. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this product promises quality and variety for your garden. Let's explore what makes these seeds stand out. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated on all things gardening and product reviews. First off, what sets Sereniseed apart is their commitment to quality and sustainability. These seeds are USDA certified organic by Oregon Tilth, ensuring they meet rigorous standards for organic production. This collection includes 10 varieties of leafy salad greens, carefully selected for their flavor and adaptability. From the green towers romaine to the vibrant rainbow chard, each packet is packed fresh for optimal planting. Whether you're planting indoors or outdoors, these seeds are versatile. They thrive in various conditions, making them perfect for both novice gardeners and seasoned pros alike. Let's talk about germination. Sereniseed guarantees high germination rates. They store their seeds in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment to ensure you get the best start possible. Plus, their commitment to non-GMO and open-pollinated varieties means you can trust what you're planting. It's all about sustainable gardening practices with Sereniseed. Now, you might be wondering about the practical side. Each packet comes with an easy-to-follow grow guide printed on the back. It's perfect for beginners and a handy reference for experienced gardeners. Imagine having your own supply of fresh, organic greens right at your fingertips. Whether you're making salads, smoothies, or simply enjoying the taste of homegrown produce, Sereniseed makes it possible. And there you have it. The Sereniseed certified organic leafy greens lettuce seeds collection is your go-to for fall planting in 2022. It's not just about planting seeds, it's about cultivating a sustainable lifestyle. Thank you for joining me on Product Critique. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and links to where you can find these amazing lettuce seeds. Until next time, happy gardening!